Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start trading. You don't. I used $100 and leveraged $2,000 in prop firm capital. I never looked back. Give me a quick second. I'm just looking at the new homepage. But all right, so we got trade our money, trade your money. Pretty self-explanatory. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go here. And let's just scroll down, see what we got. Okay, boom, that's what we're looking for. All right, so I'm gonna start with the standard. We'll run through this real quick, but honestly, this is not what I use, but I'll still break it down. So we got the 50K, 100K, and 150. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I don't use these standard accounts when the monthly price is a real good number. It looks great, but for me, the issue is down here at the bottom of these accounts where it says express funded activation fee. That's not so lovely. And ever since they started the no activation fees, I've never been able to bring myself to, come back to this account type. That's really the only difference. It is the only difference. So we're going to go ahead and get to the no activation fee real quick. So we want to go up here to no activation fee. And this is what we're looking at. And you see, we have the same everything. Everything's the same except down here you see free. Keyword. Because nobody wants to get through a challenge, pass the challenge, and then feel like, they being squeezed even more before they even get the account. So personally, I use this, but if you're not as experienced or just unfamiliar with futures or trading prop firms in general, then maybe you should start with the standard because that would be better for you. But it just all depends on your ambitions and what you're trying to do for real. All right, so let's dive into the numbers. But before we do, let me be clear. This portion right here, you're not paying for capital. You're paying for the test. So this is for the challenge. This is the combine. And so as you see, we have the 3 separate accounts. We're going to focus on the 50K. This says recommended, but what I would recommend is the 50K. And here's why. With the 50K, the profit target is 6% or 3,000. So you have to take a simulated 50K account and take it to 53,000. The loss limit, 2,000. So you have a 4% drawdown. This is what's known as the drawdown, the max loss limit. So you can't go below 48,000. So you have $2,000 of capital to essentially make 3,000 for a profit to pass the challenge. Now, I'm sure some of you have probably already peeked over here and noticed the 100 and the 150K and noticed that on a per month basis, it seems like a better deal. So naturally, why wouldn't we go with the better per month deal, right? I'm gonna show you why. As you can see, when you go down to the profit target, you still have the same 6% target that you have on the 50K. You have to take 100K to 106. But the difference is your drawdown, the max loss limit, you only have 3% as opposed to 4% on the 50K. And you might be thinking, what's the big deal? What's the difference? Well, if you're not experienced and you don't understand, that's the big difference. And you don't want to get caught up in a cycle overspending and multiple resets on an account where you don't have as high of a chance of actually succeeding in, passing it. So what I would say is ignore the 100K and the 150K because the 150 is the same thing. It's still a 6% profit target, taking 150 to 159, but you have the 3% drawdown, 3% loss limit. You don't want that, especially if you're not experienced. So I say just go with the 50K and that'll be really the one for you so you don't get caught up in a cycle. Because this is really where most traders lose money, trying to go big, resets, not passing, and then you look up and you just spent so much for what? So I wouldn't even start y'all off down this path. Start with the 50K, and like I said, even the standard if you need it, because it's all situational. And so this is how I turn $100 into $2,000 of prop firm capital. I buy a 50K account And yeah, it's a 50K account, but essentially you only have $2,000 of simulated capital you can risk. So the leverage turns from $100 to 2,000, which makes a lot of sense. If you're a complete beginner and want to get some skin in the game, I would just do this. Most people recommend demo. Yeah, that's cool, but the one thing demo doesn't really account for is the emotion. Because some people trade really well on the demo, but then as soon as live capital is involved and emotion is at play, that's something they haven't accounted for yet. So I say put a little skin in the game. If you blow these accounts, it's not the end of the world. You know, you lost about $100 basically. As opposed to if you put $2,000 of your own capital and you blow that, it's gonna feel a little different. So that's why I would say start with the prop firm accounts because it'll do a lot of good. And they have different rules and stuff, but it's provided to help you understand risk management and following rules and doing everything the right way to be able to be consistent. Now, to get funded, you can get funded in as little as 2 days. And once you're funded, there is no more monthly fee. So once you pay the 109, that is for the entire month. And if you're funded before the next subscription date, then there is no more monthly subscription. Once you're in the funded account, there is no monthly subscription. So it's free to activate and it's free to have it. And so that's why I mess with the no activation fee. And I'm pretty certain that now through Friday, they have a sale going on for $20 off of these no activation fee accounts until Friday the 24th. So I would look into that too. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get anything for it. I'm not even necessarily endorsing them. I'm just being transparent in what I'm doing, what I use, and how I'm getting to it. So this is really just for y'all. And I really hope you take a look at it and take advantage of it. And so yeah, once you get funded, you have a funding account and you have to have a minimum of 5 winning days. Once you have 5 winning trading days, you can withdraw up to half of whatever you made. And until you've requested $10,000 in profit, they don't take a profit split until you get to $10,000. Once you made $10,000, that's when they start taking the 10% cut. So it's still a 90/10, but yeah, they start taking 10% once you made at least 10K. So yeah, that's really how it works. And I would say take a look at it, man. And I appreciate y'all for tapping in and, really checking this out. If you learned something, if you got something that you can look into, man, I'd really appreciate if y'all drop a like and subscribe because I got a whole lot coming. I'm not here to make no friends. I'm exposing everything I know and learned, and we just getting started. So if you want to be part of the journey, subscribe for me because we really about to get to it. I've requested many payouts, and it's usually within 48 hours from the time that I requested that is inside my account. So I mess with them.